Stay tuned to see how I created this resin snack tray and wine set. To make sure that your resin projects come out, make sure that you have a great base to start with. Combining the resin completely, stirring slowly as to not create bubbles in your mixture. Started by pouring out a layer of the resin into my tray mold, and this is just so that everything else that I start to add to decorate will stay in place a little bit better. So I'm adding my Afro Puff Girl that I made on a different DIY video, and I'm also now utilizing the letters that I made as well. So as you can see, I'm spelling out the words Haiku Creations and adding some little hearts. I'm also going to be adding my mica powders to the different cups with the clear resin to make these different colors, and then add them to the tray. I'm going to end up marbling these colors together and adding my handles. Now to move on to the coasters and the wine holders. This is going to be pretty much the same process, adding in my different colors and marbling. I'm also adding in some of the foil paper just to add a different element of design, and a few other glitter flakes as well. I did need a few more of the alphabet letters, so I'm going to go ahead and utilize some of the leftover resin that I had sitting around because I do not like wasting the resin. And I'm using my spatula to scrape and add the resin to each of the wells of the alphabet silicone mold, trying to not waste any of the resin. I'm going to leave these sitting outside in a ventilated area for 24 hours until they set. And here is the completed resin tray, coasters, and wine bottle topper. I love that it holds 2 wine glasses, and it's a really nice addition to your tabletop as well. It keeps everything really neat and organized and extremely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite wine to serve is, or even just your favorite wine to drink. I've been venturing out with tasting different wines. I have recently become a very big Riesling fan. It's just got a very nice flavor to it. It's not too sweet. And these coasters and trays are the perfect accessory to feeling fancy while you're at home drinking wine. I love how the tray came out utilizing the Afro Puff Girl in the design. I really like how it just accentuates and adds to the tray. And putting in Haiku Creations was also a very nice touch, if I do say so myself. Would you guys use this set to serve? Let me know below. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. Remember to leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite wine is. And make sure that you continue to tune in each week for a new video. I'll probably switch it up in the next couple of weeks, give you guys a break from the resin, but don't worry, it will be back. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Also, turn on the bell for notifications so that you don't miss my weekly Tuesday uploads. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, you guys, I love you, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.